Welcome to UTC AI Studio, AI powered, creativity fueled. If you're a student, a researcher, or just someone trying to learn smarter, there's a perfect tool for you. Whether it's preparing for exams, finishing assignments, or simply understanding complex topics, this tool has your back. And the best part? It's completely free. Meet NotebookLM by Google, your personalized AI research assistant. It can summarize content, create study guides, generate podcasts, and even let you interact with your own sources like PDFs, Google Documents, slides, websites, or YouTube videos. The coolest thing, every answer is linked to the original source. So you don't just get information, you can verify the source. In this video, we'll explore what NotebookLM is, how it works, and why it makes studying and research so easy. I'll also show you its coolest features, like generating mind maps, creating audio overviews, interacting with those audio summaries, building study guides, FAQs, timelines, and even creating video overviews. Before we dive in, hit that like button, share this with a friend, and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos from UTC AI Studio. What is NotebookLM? NotebookLM is a tool developed by Google Labs. The LM stands for Language Model. Think of it as Google's experimental AI notebook designed for research, note-taking, and learning. It helps you summarize and extract knowledge from all kinds of sources: PDFs, Word documents, text files, web articles, YouTube videos, audio files, or even just plain text you paste in. Let's see what it can really do. Using NotebookLM is super simple. Just go to notebooklm.google.com, log in with your Google account, and create a new notebook. Now add your sources, maybe PDFs, websites, YouTube videos, or lecture notes. For example, let's say, I'm researching large language models and I've collected a few sources. I have a PDF research paper, a YouTube talk, and a web article. Instead of going through each one separately, which is quite complicated and time-consuming, I just upload them all into NotebookLM. NotebookLM will now let me ask any question across all those sources. I can just opt to say, create a mind map of LLM, generate an audio overview, or even explain this topic at a PhD level, or explain it simply like I'm 10 years old. It tailors the output to your needs. Let's say we select Mind Map. We can see mind maps being generated on the right column, and it may take a couple of minutes. When it's done, just click on it and the map opens. Here we can see the whole LLM concept broken down into categories, starting from what are LLM, how LLM work, how to fine-tune LLMs, how to run LLMs locally, real-world use cases, and so on. This is the best way to visualize everything and remember it. If we click on the arrow, the topic is further expanded. And if you want to dive deep into a particular topic, just click on it. For example, let's click on what are LLMs. Now we can see a detailed concept given in the chat box, and each paragraph is numbered. If we click on the number, it will take us to the reference from our uploaded content so we can dig deeper into the concept. This is very important and saves lots of time while doing research. If you have further questions about this topic, we can chat here. For example, let's ask, how many different types of LLM brains are there? Just like ChatGPT, it will answer in detail. If you like the content, we can save it by clicking Save to Note, and it will be stored in the right studio window for later reference. If you want to check another topic, just go back to the mind map and select any topic you're interested in. In the same way, we can also create a briefing doc, which is a summary of everything from our sources. We can generate FAQs, which are basically a set of questions and answers from these sources. Extremely useful when preparing for a certification or test. We can also create study guides. We can also create quizzes. And flashcards. And their answers in the bottom along with explanations. And if you are a visual learner, just click Video Overview. It will take some time, but trust me, it's worth the wait. There goes the video presentation, which will explain whole material we uploaded in about 10 minutes.
Chatbot, right? And you've probably had that moment where you think, wait, is this magic? It kind of feels like it. Well, today, we're going to pull back that curtain. We're diving into what's behind it all, large language models, or as you've definitely heard, LLMs. Let's get into how this magic really works. You name it. Its one and only job is to digest all of that and learn the patterns.
That's awesome, right? Now the best part, we can create a podcast using our uploaded materials by clicking Audio Overview. Here we will get a podcast in which two AI voices discuss the topic, like a real conversation.
Welcome to the Deep Dive, your express lane to understanding the tech that's really shaping our world. Today, we are plunging headfirst into something huge.
And the best part is, you're invited to join the conversation. If you want a deeper explanation or have a question, just click Interactive and ask your question.
Way to get truly well-informed about these really powerful technologies. We'll unpack what LLM...
Oh, hey, I think our listeners got something to say.
What are small language models?
Oh, that's a great question, and it actually ties in perfectly. We're talking about LLMs, large language models.
Right.
But yes, there absolutely are small language models, or SLMs. The core difference is, well, their size.
Yeah, exactly. SLMs are smaller in scale and scope. They have comparatively fewer parameters.
Remember how we just briefly touched on those billions or even trillions of parameters in the biggest LLMs? Well, SLMs have far fewer of those internal configuration variables. This makes them much more suitable for deployment on smaller devices.
Like your laptop, for example, or even smartphones.
Exactly. They require less computational power and fewer resources to run, which is a huge benefit for accessibility.
And when you're done, you can even download the podcast. Honestly, I don't know if there's a better feature out there that helps you learn this fast. If you struggle to study on your own, or if you have too many doubts, you can literally create a notebook in NotebookLM, upload your sources, and clear all your doubts, just like I did right now. If this tool amazed you, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with a friend who needs NotebookLM. And of course, subscribe to UTC AI Studio. I'll be bringing you more powerful AI tools and tutorials every week. So that's NotebookLM, your free AI research assistant from Google. Whether you're preparing for exams, writing research papers, or just curious about new topics, this tool makes learning faster and easier than ever. Thanks for watching UTC AI Studio. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, as always, keep learning, keep building, and keep creating with AI.